So this next song we stole from a gentleman named Nathan Carter. And until I found him, I didn't know that there was such a thing as Irish country music. On the banks of the roses, me love and I lay down, and I took out me fiddle for to play me love a tune. And in the middle of the tune, oh, she smiled and she said, "Oh, old Johnny, lovely Johnny, don't you leave me." Oh, when I was a young man, I heard me father say that he'd rather see me dead and buried in the clay sooner than get married to any runaway by the lovely sweet banks of the roses. On the banks of the roses, me love and I lay down, and I took out me fiddle for to play me love a tune. And in the middle of the tune, oh, she smiled and she said, "Oh, Johnny, lovely Johnny, don't you leave me." Oh, well, I am no runaway, and soon I'll let him know that I can take the bottle or can leave it well alone. And if her daddy doesn't like it, he can keep his daughter home, and young Johnny will go roving with another. On the banks of the roses, me love and I lay down, and I took out me fiddle for to play me love a tune. And in the middle of the tune, oh, she smiled and she said, "Oh, Johnny, lovely Johnny, don't you leave me." Twill be in the month of May, when the leaves they are green and the meadows they are gay, and me and my true love will sit and sport and play by the lovely sweet banks of the roses. On the banks of the roses, me love and I lay down, and I took out my fiddle for to play me love a tune. And in the middle of the tune, oh, she smiled and she said, "Oh, Johnny, lovely Johnny, don't you leave me." On the banks of the roses, me love and I lay down, and I took out me fiddle for to play me love a tune. And in the middle of the tune, oh, she smiled and she said, "Oh, Johnny, lovely Johnny, don't you leave me. Oh, Johnny, lovely Johnny, don't you leave me." Thank you.